Okay, guys, so I think I found a source of a problem here. And I think it's what I've been running into. So I want to take a video and kind of show what's working and what's not. So this is actually a brand new project than the one that I was posting about up above here earlier on. So I thought this would be a good example. So let me show you what I got here. I set up bugsnag. I installed it with React Native Link. As you can see, my pbx proj file here is updated. Put my key in my info plist. I got my bugsnag service set up, which I'm importing into the index.js file, which I'll show you in a second. And an app delegate, I got bugsnag-react-native start. All right. So, and some uncommitted changes actually. So in my index.js, I'm importing bugsnag before everything else so that right as soon as the app gets running, bugsnag gets initialized. So just to confirm that, let's put in my index here, I'm going to put a breakpoint. And you'll see here's my bugsnag service. I have a console log bugsnag in my service. And in my index, I got a debugger here. So if I save this, I refresh. Cool. Debugger stops in. Bugsnag, this is before the app even fires up. I can see my main app component about to fire. And then away we go. And there's my app. Okay, cool. So just to show a couple things here. I'm going to go into this file, kid detail actions, which is one of the files that's included in my project. And I've got bugsnag directly imported there. I'm going to do b equals j. Right, this is a fucked up definition. So if I hit refresh, j is not defined. Makes sense. So let's head on over to my inbox here. And any second, this should pop in. It takes about 15 to 20 seconds for it to hit the API. By the way, while we're waiting for that, I want to show I am in debug mode. Got debug executable running. So, and hence, obviously, I'm in debug mode because we can see this red screen. Here we are. This error, which I think is interesting, that this error fires. It's this guy. Module app registry is not a register callable module calling run application. I don't know what the fuck that is, but I don't care because my second error comes in, and there it is. J is not defined. Makes sense. Okay. One more sanity check. Throw new error. All right. Notifying while screen sharing. Save, reload. So now this is going to error silent. Not error silently. This is just going to throw an error. Or actually not notifying. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have wrote that. I should throwing an error while screen sharing. Let's do that first. Okay. There's that. Let's head on over here. Wait about 20 seconds. Notifying while screen sharing, that's the first one. It's just being exhaustive here, making sure. Throwing an error while screen sharing. Perfect. Cool. So, and now let's actually notify. Bugsnag.notify. A new error. Notifying this time for real. Okay. Let's hit save. So we shouldn't see a red screen. Cool. It'll silently dispatch over to bugsnag. 15 seconds go by. There it is. Notifying this time for real. Excellent. Cool. Now, this is where the problem is. So, we're using redux-saga in our application, which uses generator functions. So, I want to move this guy, our bugsnag notify, down to this create new kid method. So, let's put this here. I'll change this to blah, 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 create new kid fired and notifying. Notifying. I can fucking type. Save. All right. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to go back to our inbox here. I'm going to delete these events. All right, just to kind of clear out and just be sure. So, all right, we're going to refresh. And this function, create new kid, gets fired when I hit this plus button up here. So let's hit the plus. Okay, let's go over to here, wait 15. Well, that was actually really fast. Holy shit. Cool. Bug snag notify, right? Error. Cool. This is looking good. Now, this is fucked up. If I comment out bug snag notify and put in this y equals dingle thing, I don't know, just some crap, right? Let's hit refresh. Okay. Hit the plus button. All right. Uncaught at my saga. Da, 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 da. So this is redux-saga kind of code here. Reference error blah, 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 is not defined. All right. So it's a red screen, error thrown. Right. You can see it in my thing. Let's go back. It will never show up. This one never does. And to prove it, if I go back here and I uncomment out this bug snag and I create a whole new error, round 2 of bug snag notify in create new kid, hit save, reload, go to create a new kid, and this bug snag notify will come in, but that previous error won't. And that error is permanently swallowed. And there it is.